Check how you're doing in different areas of a course by accessing class progress. This tutorial shows how to navigate class progress in Brightspace Learning Environment. When you first access class progress, a summary displays. Click Expand to view details of your progress within each category. For example, the grades area displays all graded items in the course. You may also see the distribution of grades for the rest of the class. On this graph, a black dot represents your grade. To view graded rubrics and feedback, click Feedback. The course panel organizes your progress. Click a category to view your progress for that area of the course. For example, we will view our progress in content. Each module has a progress bar that indicates your completion level. You can also expand the module to see which topics you have and have not completed. Let's also explore our assignments progress. Assignments progress displays a summary of your assignments and associated grades. Click Details to view more information about a specific assignment. Check how you're doing in different areas of a course by accessing class progress.